Some places are built to serve food. Some places are built to serve people. Longshim belongs to the second. In the old days, Longshim was not a restaurant. It was a place where people gathered to eat, to learn, to talk, and to belong. That idea never left us. We come from the hills, where the land teaches patience, where fire is not decoration, but a teacher. Around the fire, stories were shared, elders spoke, children listened, time slowed down. That was Longshim. When we decided to build this place, we didn't start with a menu. We started with memory. The land became our walls. The people became our silhouettes. The tarung became our symbols. The fire became our heart. Every line we draw, every space we design, is a conversation with our ancestors. This is why Longshim is not loud. It doesn't rush you. It doesn't ask you to leave quickly. It invites you to sit, to eat slowly, to talk longer, to gather. Food here is honest. Fire here is warm, the table is open. You don't come here just to eat. You arrive, and when you leave, you take something with you, a feeling that quietly calls you back. Longshim is not just a restaurant, it is a gathering from the hills, with fire, with memory. Welcome to Longshim.